Welcome back to the channel. I'm your instructor for my PTE Pro, and today we are diving into a crucial part of the academic reading module, fill in the blanks, drag and drop. This task isn't just about vocabulary. It's about understanding how sentences connect and how context clues guide us to the right choice. Let's sharpen our skills and look at how to break down a passage to ensure every word lands in its perfect spot. If you find these strategies helpful, make sure to subscribe to my PTE Pro for more expert tips. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. The integration of artificial intelligence into healthcare systems has revolutionized how clinicians blank patient data. In this opening sentence, the text discusses the integration of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on medical practice. We need a verb that describes what doctors do with information once these systems are in place. The phrase, clinicians blank patient data, suggests an active process of examination or study, indicating that the blank must be a verb that fits the professional context of handling medical information. I am dragging the word analyze into the first blank. This verb is the most logical fit because it describes the primary action clinicians take when using AI to interpret complex medical information. By using sophisticated algorithms, medical professionals can now identify patterns that were previously blank to the human eye. The sentence highlights the power of sophisticated algorithms in identifying things that were not detectable before, by stating these patterns were previously blank to the human eye. The passage sets up a contrast between the limitations of human vision and the enhanced capabilities of technology. Therefore, we require an adjective that describes something that cannot be seen or noticed without help. I am placing invisible into the gap located in the middle of the sentence. This adjective perfectly completes the comparison between the new technological detection and the previous limitations of human sight. This technological advancement enables earlier detection of diseases, which is blank for improving patient outcomes. Here, the author mentions that the technology enables earlier detection of diseases, which is presented as a positive benefit. When the text links this benefit to improving patient outcomes, it implies a high degree of importance. The logical bridge here requires an adjective that signifies how vital or necessary this detection is for achieving better health results. I am dragging crucial into the third blank. I am choosing this word because it emphasizes the essential nature of early detection in the context of successful medical treatment. However, the implementation of such systems requires blank ethical considerations regarding data privacy. The use of however signals a shift from benefits to potential challenges. The implementation of such systems brings up the need for ethical considerations regarding data privacy. This context suggests that the considerations must be thorough or strict, requiring an adjective that describes the seriousness and depth of the ethical review needed. I am placing stringent into the fourth blank. This word is the best fit as it describes the rigorous and strict nature of the ethical standards required for protecting sensitive data. Researchers must ensure that these tools are used to blank human expertise rather than replace it entirely. The final sentence discusses the relationship between eye and human skill, noting the tools should be used to blank human expertise. The phrase, rather than replace it entirely, provides a direct contrast, indicating that the blank must be a verb that means to add to, support, or enhance rather than substitute. This ensures that technology serves as a partner to the clinician. I am dragging augment into the fifth blank. I am selecting this word because it specifically means to increase or improve something, which perfectly opposes the idea of replacement mentioned at the end of the sentence. To master the fill in the blanks, drag and drop task, always look for transition words like however or rather than to understand the sentence's logical direction. Paying close attention to collocations and the part of speech required for each gap will significantly increase your accuracy. Remember, the correct word must not only make sense in isolation but also maintain the grammatical integrity and tone of the entire passage.